Hi, so it's December 20th. I'm waiting for my sister and her family to arrive at the house, which is very exciting because we've got all kinds of Christmas holidays planned. Activities, foods, exotic foods that we don't get to eat very often here in Southwest France. And I wanted to share how blessed I was this morning by two things. So you can see I'm in the galaxy right now. The theme of the day is convergence. Um, and I'm going to share two examples of things that happened to me today that are indicative of this convergence. So, the first thing was I got an email from a friend and collaborator stating that his desire for Christmas was to give the people collaborating with him and on his team the gift of giving, meaning that he was asking for everyone's PayPal account numbers so that he could send them money so that they could then in turn share the gift of giving with people in need, because that would bring them the greatest joy and also allow for this continuance of human connection. So that's the first example of convergence. I thought it was a really beautiful idea to give the gift of giving, knowing that giving will give you one of the greatest joys you can experience. So he was giving joy as well, he was giving connection as well. Beautiful convergence of ideas, values. And the next one was a call I had with a very good friend and also collaborator, um, who with who I share a mentor and personal coach, Aman bin Salam. So we were assigned for our coaching to have a call together, um, talking in the past tense about 2021 as manifestation exercise, and it was super fun. Um, Beautiful to converge minds with this fantastic person, and we had so much aligned, so much in common about what we wanted to experience and accomplish in 2021, and also how we can do it together. And both of us had this idea of convergence on our minds, where all the things that we'd been working towards, all the things that we'd been dreaming of, were all coming together as one unit in one community for 2021. So uh, this is, the fruit of labor that has happened over the past few years. These people aren't in my life by accident. It took years for me to find these amazing, generous, pure-hearted, compassionate, active, impactful, visionary people. And it's not easy to find those people when you haven't done the work and when you haven't willed it and manifested it and created it in your life. And it took years for me to get there, um, but it didn't take years for me to start. It took, maybe 1 or 2 years to really head towards having that tribe, having that community and collaboration in my life. And so I want to encourage you to, if you don't have that community in your life, first of all, it's possible to have these amazing visionary people in your life feeding you love and inspiration and collaborating with you on a daily basis. It's possible. Hi, Malak. Great to see you. Thank you for that. And Malak is one of these people who, there are these amazing people on the planet that are here to serve humanity, that are here to give, that are here to inspire and create the solutions for the next generation. And if you feel like your circle of friends is not bringing that to your life or is not raising you towards, what your higher self wants for you, and it's not just a selfish thing because you need to do that for them as well. But if that's not a part of your life, it's possible to want it and it's possible to create it for 2021, and to have that feeling of convergence where all of the parts of your life are aligned. Your value system is aligned. Um, the things that you want to see for the planet are aligned with what you're doing on a daily basis and who you're hanging out with and what their values are. this is possible. It takes a little bit of legwork, but it's totally possible. So I leave you in the galaxy, sending you love. Thanks, Malak. Great to hear from you. Bye.